right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to edit the B-roll video, okay? So let's click on B-roll 1, and you'll notice that the video is too big for our canvas. So click and drag and hold shift, and that will bring it back to the correct aspect ratio for B-roll 1. I'm going to lock that, and then we're going to grab B-roll 2 and do the same thing. I'm going to hold shift and bring it back in. There you go. Beautiful. Now, what we need to do is either look at the source file or the example, I should say, or remember what we were doing. And fortunately for you, I do remember what we were doing. So I'm going to turn off the B-roll for a second. When I talk and I do this, let me mute these for a second. Okay, we'll turn off all the audio. There we go. So, if I just turn on the audio for these two, right?
Make amazing videos and bring your ideas to life, then Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate Course is for you.
Okay, so let me give you the script real quick for this. Basically, what the promo video is this. You have an intro where I welcome you to the course. You get the course title, you get my name, okay? Then I start getting into the benefits of the course. That's where the B-roll is going to come into play. So let's go ahead and, before I do any of that, let me bring this over here just to make sure. Make sure that this piece here is lined up on the 50 seconds mark, so that way we're good to go. Now, what we can do is we can not cheat, but we can take a shortcut. This right here, we cut it at the point where I was doing the intro. So after this point is where I should be starting to talk about B-roll, or where I would put B-roll.
Video editing is an in-demand skill in 2021. The course begins with the basics. I'll take you through everything you need to know to start editing videos like an expert. You'll learn all the fundamentals of Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. This is great for students starting out.
So when I say this is great for students starting out, that's where I'm going to have the student's graphic. So right before that, we'll pause, okay?
This is great for students starting out.
So let's pause right here. So basically we have from this marker here to here, that's where we're going to be adding the B-roll, okay? So let me unlock these and turn them back on. And what I want to do is we're just going to put B-roll here, okay? I'm going to split it right here just so we have the marker. So let's go to edit and split the layer. I will delete this. And again, it's just for a marker. Okay, then we have B-roll 1. And let's do the same thing there. Let's cut it. Okay, and then now what I'm going to do is we're going to cut this in half. So we'll go right here and we'll just split. And we're just grabbing kind of a random clip. It's B-roll. It's not supposed to be, it all relates to the course. So it's okay if we do this because I've already picked out these videos for a reason. Okay, so let's watch it.
Video editing is an in-demand skill in 2021.
Okay, I need to turn this back on. There we go.
This course. Video editing is an in-demand skill in 2021. The course begins with I'll take you through everything you know to start editing videos like an expert. You'll learn all the fundamentals of Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. This is great for students starting out or for video editors that need a refresher course on Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. There are no requirements necessary to enroll. I only ask that you come open-minded and ready to learn. Feel free to look through the course description and check out some of my preview videos. The course is packed with over 3 hours of hands-on tutorials. So what are you waiting for? I look forward to going through the course with you. I'll see you inside.
Okay, so we've edited the B-roll. Now we're going to be adding the lower thirds, okay? But before we go to that, I want to bring the logo to a conclusion, okay? So I'm going to turn these back on for a second. Let's select both of these and drag them down to the end, okay? Right to here, okay? And then we'll play that.
Have you always wanted to learn how to edit?
So before we go... It's almost perfect. So we just ran out of time. So let's add another few seconds here just to make sure it's done. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. So we've done that. Now I'm going to save this. And in the next video, we're going to be adding the lower thirds. All right. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.